Hi there, students. A demagogue. Okay, a demagogue, a person. I guess demagoguery is what he does, although that's probably more unusual. Let's see. A demagogue is a politician, a political speaker who makes himself popular by playing to the crowd, by appealing to people's prejudices, yeah, appealing to their emotions, uh, talking about the things that they think are true, that they believe are true, and it's appealing to their emotions rather than using reasonable arguments, using logical arguments. Okay, so the demagogue managed to gain popularity very rapidly. They say that Adolf Hitler was a demagogue, but I actually think that most politicians nowadays are demagogues, yeah? They try to win support by by exciting people's emotions rather than having morally good ideas. Yeah, a demagogue plays on prejudices. Yeah, they appeal to the passions of the crowd. They find scapegoats, people who the crowd dislike. Yeah, they focus on groups that the crowd or the general public are prejudiced against and exaggerate the fears of these. So, in this case, Adolf Hitler was a demagogue because he used distrust of the Jews, and he exaggerated people's people's fears of them, and like that he became more popular. Yeah, being a demagogue is or demagoguery. This is something that's meant to push aside people's logical reasoned thought, yeah, and to encourage fanatical popularity. Yeah, demagogues will lie to people or exaggerate the truth because this is what the people want to hear. This is what they believe, whether it's true, reasonable, or good. Yeah, people have their own prejudices, and if you can play on those prejudices, then you can become very popular. Okay, so yeah, a demagogue, political demagogues. Yeah, these are people who they're not appealing to logic and reasoned thought. They're appealing to people's emotions. Yeah, doesn't he just look like a criminal? Yeah, he's got this criminal attitude, this criminal look to his face. Who knows what a criminal looks like? That would be the sort of thing a demagogue would say. Yeah. I think the whole Brexit debacle came as a result of demagoguery. Yeah, I think there was a lot of prejudice against the European Union amongst British people, and the demagogues played to that rather than to the logical benefits that we received from it. Okay, so impassioned appeals to the emotions of people. Yeah, he's a radical demagogue. Yeah, he's a soapbox orator, an agitator. Okay, so if you call somebody a demagogue, you're being very critical about them. Yeah, you're saying that they are exploiting an issue in a way designed to appeal to the desires and the biases and prejudices of people. Yeah. So I think maybe very often politicians use the media to spread demagogic ideas. Yeah, they're not interested in logical dialogue. They're interested in raising or strengthening or focusing the prejudices and the false beliefs of people in order to gain power. Okay, so a demagogue. If you call somebody a demagogue, you're being critical. Yeah, they're appealing to prejudice and the passions of the mob. Yeah, not to logic. So, demagogue, formality. I'm going to give this a 6.5 in formality. I think informally I might just say a politician. Uh, but well, it's probably being rude. I think you could probably use it informally. It's a bit strong though. Maybe a radical, a rabble rouser, but normally radicals they use logical thought. I think a rabble rouser maybe. Use it semi-formally, semi-formal writing or formal writing. It's a bit of it's a bit of a formal word. It's a bit on the technical formal side. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek through French. From ancient Greek demagogos, a popular leader, a leader of the mob, from demos, the people, and agogos, a guide, so a guide of the people. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Demagogue, demagogic.